Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to give you guys, I've got a lot of questions on which of these machines I would choose and why. I posted the video on several different platforms so people could see, but I wanted to kind of walk you guys through each machine. At the base price, this is a Polaris North Star. You guys can see that the base price on one of these is $30,799. Now, if we go over to Can-Am, the base price is $30,199. For me, I would choose the Can-Am. Here's the reason. You're going to get arched A-arms, and you're getting a pop-out windshield, a lot nicer leather seats. The seats in the Defender, just like in the video, if you look, they move up and down. They're much better bolstering, a lot better looking. All this is, my perspective. Your Defender comes with 27s. The Polaris comes with 27s. So between the two machines, they're almost identical setup. But as I was saying, when you buy a Defender, it comes with arched A-arms, which is a huge plus. You can swap your tires out to whatever you want. I know that on the Defenders, you can run 29 to 30-inch tires with no issues. So when you get into the Polaris Ultimates, they've got 29s. I'll get to that in a minute, but the as far as price for price on your base models, this is a limited, and the other is the premium edition North Star. So if you go to the Polaris and you look at it, the benefits of the Polaris are going to be your LED headlights, but other than that, they both have 27s. This does not have arched A-arms, nor does the Ultimate. To get into a Ultimate on a Polaris, you're looking at $33,099. This will still not come with arched A-arms. It'll have 29-inch tires and the pop-out windshield, which is great. But I still think, even at this price range, if you took the Defender, you can easily swap the tires out on it. So if we go back to the Defender, these 27s, you can swap them out for 29s or 30-inch tires super easy, and then sell your factory ones for $400 or $500, and you're not going to have that much difference as far as price. If you took, and even if your tires cost you $1,000, this right here would only be $31,199 if you swap the tires out. So for me, the tires, the only way that the Polaris would be my pick is if I never wanted to have to do anything to the machine at all. If you're someone who doesn't maintenance your vehicle, doesn't do anything to them at all, and you're wanting a machine with a little more clearance and bigger tires, then the Polaris has about 1 inch more clearance, and it comes with factory 29-inch tires. But the seats in these two machines, the actual ride and comfort is so much better in the Defender. So my perfect side-by-side would be a Defender, and take the tires off, put 29 or 30-inch tires on it, and then you can slap a set of LED lights in it from Amazon for about $70, and then you've already got arched A-arms. So if you wanted to do that in a Polaris, so let's say that you put this and you add 29 or 30-inch tires, and let's say at the maximum, it adds $1,000. So you've got, let's say you do $31,199. Then let's say we go to Polaris. To get that same machine with arched A-arms and 29 or 30-inch tires, then we've got to go up here and go to, let's see if we can pull this special edition up. Let's see.
Where could Bailey be hiding this time?
So we'll have to go up here.
To look for Bailey.
Vehicles.
Really good hiding spot. Wow.
Special editions.
You are good at seeking, Clippers.
Let's play again soon.
You can either do a big game edition, which would have arched A-arms. Can you kind of show them that a little closer? This comes with 29-inch tires. Of course, it's camo. I'm not a huge camo fan, but the only option you've got is camo in that. Or you can do a Trail Boss edition and get it in a North Star Trail Boss edition. And let's see if I can pull the price up for the North Star Trail Boss. So with a North Star Trail Boss, you're looking at $35,199. So basically, you're at a minimum $2,000 more for a Polaris compared to the Can-Am. And like I said, if you get a limited Defender, just a base model, you got $30,199. The way I do it is I buy one of these, I sell the original tires, get $400 or $500 for them, and then I just take and put 29 or 30-inch tires on them, and I'm done. What? Okay, honey, I'll help you in a second. Like I said, the only way that I would want the Polaris over the Can-Am was if I just could only have the machine and not do anything to it. And that for trails, I'm not a huge fan of 27-inch tires. If you guys ever ride any rough or rocky trails or has bigger terrain, the 27s, you rub the bottom in these Maxes. Even on the Polaris, like if you get the premium model and it's got 27-inch tires, you'll rub right in here over, minor bumps or heels or anything like that, rocks. And so 29 or 30-inch tires makes both of these machines great. But here's the thing. The cab in the Defender is bigger. You've got more room. The seats are 100 times better. We had a 19 North Star, and we just had a 2022 Polaris Ultimate. All of them are great machines. I'm not trying to knock Polaris at all. I love their machines. I love Can-Am's machines. But in my opinion, the Can-Am is a all-around better machine, especially for family. You guys can let me know your thoughts and if there's any other questions. But I think that should answer majority of it. And like I said, you can get into a Defender Max Lone Star. You can see it right here for $33,199. That has a complete overhead sound system in it that is really, really nice. You've got arched A-arms. This one comes with 28-inch tires. You've got a few little Ascent things that are different. It's completely jet black. You've got different wheels on it. For me, I mean, that's even a step further because, if you compare this to the Ultimate, you're still going to be less than an Ultimate. You're going to have a 1/2 inch to an inch smaller tire, but you've got a full JBL sound system in your roof. I don't know if they've actually got pictures on here of that. That's one thing I think horrible is about Can-Am is they don't do well with their selling their self. But it's complete up in this roof here. And it's a really, really nice JL audio system. JL audio roof. But in my opinion, you're getting way, way more bang for your buck in a Defender because, you know, on the Polaris, you can't change the interior. To add arched A-arms, you're looking at a huge task. For me, it's super simple to swap out tires. You guys just let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you.